How the hell does one get stuck? Stranded in the damn jungle or the forest? Whatever the hell this is. Oh, super glad I brought my hiking boots. Oh, I'm just kidding, just kidding. I am, however, in the middle of the woods, or the forest, I guess it's called. I am outside of Jasper, Alabama, getting ready for this morning's installation. But I feel like I wanted to tell you a little bit about Jasper because I travel like a lot and I seldom actually give you any facts or any information of where I'm at. And I feel like, hey, let's try something new. So I think moving forward, we're gonna talk a little bit about the town, the city, whatever the place that I'm at. We're gonna talk about it a little bit, give you a little knowledge on the place. So let's learn together. So Jasper was settled around 1815. In the late 1800s, 2 railroads were built through Jasper, and the population went from about 200 people to about 3,000 people by the late 1800s. Jasper's also one of the largest coal mining places in the United States. There's like 6 coal mines here and like 400 coke ovens, I guess. Don't even know what those are, but there's over 400 of them. But here's a crazy fact. In 2024, over 200-foot radio tower vanished, like in the middle of the night. Completely gone. Famous people? Yeah, Jasper has a few. Tallulah Bulkhead and Michael Rooker from Guardians of the Galaxy. And the whole area is surrounded by, well, woods. And Jasper was named after a Revolutionary War veteran, Sergeant Jasper. Let's get a little creepy. The locals refer to this area as the Alabama Bermuda Triangle. Talks about people getting lost on trails, a lot of missing things, strange lights moving through the forest. A lot of people have reported. Apparently, a lot of the coal mines, when people go through them, they report hearing like picks hitting rocks. Creepy. And I guess there's a don't go too deep rule, referring to when you're walking through the forest, don't go too deep because it's easy to get lost or not know where you're going. So before I get lost, let's go meet Bill and do an install. I'm with Mr. Bill here in, where are we at?
Jasper, Alabama.
Jasper, Alabama. That is, well, as you can see, we're kind of in the woods. What's the population here?
This is actually this little rural part of it's probably about 300 people.
I love small towns like this. So what are we looking at here? What do you got for me for today?
Well, I got a 2024. It's Seawolf Gray. And
it's a beautiful color.
Yeah, that's one of the reasons I bought it. And we are in the process of building a car for a show. We're gonna put the doors on today, and then the next process is wheels and tires, and then we're going to get a new intake, and then probably in about 6 months, we're gonna put a supercharger on it.
So wow, okay.
We're in the process. We're starting from the ground up, so.
Yeah, that's a big project. This trip for me so far has been 2 cars, 2 colors that I've never done before.
Oh, really?
So yesterday was a Roswell green.
I've never seen the green one, only online. I've never seen it in person.
Yeah, so it was the same thing. So I only saw it online, pictures of it, and I was really excited about seeing it in person. And then when he was like, because he originally ordered a black edition. So I'm like, well, typical questions, what color are your calipers, you know, so on and so forth, what color's the car? So I suggested it's gonna look better. He had black calipers. I said, so I would do a Roswell green edition, which this kit, your car today and his was the first time we've had to paint either one of these colors. So I was excited about both. So when I painted that, I was really excited to see that because that was the first time I actually saw the color physically, you know, in person. And that car did not disappoint.
Yeah, when they were saying it was green, I was a little wary. I was like, that might be a little weird, but it's beautiful. I mean, I haven't seen it in person, you know, but only online.
It's one of those things that I would honestly say for me that the pictures don't do it justice. It said when I was talking to him back when the Sebring orange first came out, how you see the pictures of that online and it looked vibrant, bright orange, and then you see that in person and it's like, ugh, this is so dull. It's not pretty at all.
Right.
Not the same thing with the green. Have you always been a Corvette person, or is this your first one?
This is my second one. I had a 5 convertible.
Nice.
It was white with red. It actually had a manual 6-speed Dutch transmission in it. So, and I had it poured and polished. So it was a pretty fast car. I ended up selling it, and I regretted it. So I waited 10 years to buy another one.
Wow. Are you glad you went with the C8?
I am. I'm very happy so far. I haven't driven it much, about 900 miles since I got it. Wow. So I hadn't spent much time, and I won't drive it much. We ordered a new call hauler, so we're gonna haul it to the shows. We're not gonna drive it. So
okay.
We'll keep the miles down, and we'll see how it goes. I've got a kid that turns 16 in a couple of years, so I'll probably buy him a base model, so he'll have one. But yeah, I'm definitely a Corvette guy.
Well, I can't wait to start tearing it apart and cutting it up.
I'm anxious to see it when it's done. So.
Nice. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and get started.
All right, I appreciate you. Sit down. In the seat. You can grab it right here.
How old are you?
14 today.
Oh, it's your birthday? Happy birthday.
See if you can close it now without me. Remember, easy, to the bottoms. There you go. That's it. Now open it. All the way up. And that's it. Now raise it up. Perfect.
These are awesome.
And if you slid your seat up, you probably could do it easier.
All right, guys, we are done with this beautiful Seawolf Gray. My very first Seawolf Gray ever in person. Bill here, what do you think?
Looks fabulous.
Like it?
Looks great.
Was it what you were expecting?
It's better than I thought.
Better than you thought. It was better than he thought.
Yeah.
He did leave me here without water, I will say that. Nah, it was good. I had to sip on the hose a couple times, but I survived. You've messed with it. Your son, who is 14, just did it. That was the first time he's ever done it as well, obviously. Is it easier, in your opinion, to get in and out of the car now?
Absolutely. There's no doubt it's easier to get in and out of the car.
Will you be kind enough to show us?
Sure.
Then you go ahead and open it.
Pretty much opens itself.
So the pull down, I mean, is there a lot of force that you...
It's not, and you know, it's brand new, so
Yeah.
it's gonna get a little easier, but no, not for me, absolutely not.
No.
Like I said, my 14-year-old kid pulled it down, so.
He did, and it's, like I was telling him earlier, you're using muscles that you've not used before, so it's just a muscle memory thing, and it's just, your body has to get used to and adjust to the fact that you're using something that's been sitting dormant, the muscle, for so long. And once you do that, obviously it becomes just second nature. It's
Yeah,
effortless
it's definitely a memory motion when you first do it, but you know, 2 or 3 times, it's not a problem at all.
So what made you want to do the doors in the car?
Well, I really like the look. Honestly, I'm a pretty big guy. I'm 265, so it was a little inconvenient for me to get in and out. And I was hoping that it would open up the side of the car where I could get in and get out. And it's drastic for someone my size. I mean,
Yeah.
you know, it's a game changer, really.
And is it easier getting in and out?
Absolutely, there's no doubt. I mean, if you could have saw me trying to get in it before, you know, I looked very uncomfortable, and
Yeah.
I was. I mean, it's a struggle. Getting back out, I think even easier because you got the leg room, you know, to the front.
The clearance there, yeah.
Yeah, you didn't have any of that, so it's well worth what they cost. I mean, it's the look. It's, you know, you're not gonna get this look anywhere else, and all the hardware and everything matches perfectly. It's clean, looks professional, and it is professional. I'm extremely happy.
Well, I appreciate that. It means a lot to me, obviously, to hear that. When you were looking, I mean, obviously there's multiple choices now. What made you decide to come with Eikon and go with that versus the company that's been out there, obviously, for a longer, you know, and obviously I'm assuming you've seen the history or the rumors.
Yeah,
what made you decide this is the one I want?
Well, personally, I'm a business owner, and we do our best in our business to make everyone happy, but it's not gonna happen. You're never gonna make everybody happy. You know, I looked at your reviews and I had some questions, and I looked at their reviews, and all their reviews were 5s. And as a business owner, I know there's not a business on this planet that's a 5.
Yeah.
So I was a little concerned about that. But when I called you and I asked you, I was blatant honest with you, straight up. And I just said, look, I'm reading this stuff and I'm a little concerned. Just talk me through it. And we had a 30-minute conversation. You was extremely open about it. You told me, you made me feel very comfortable about it. And you've done exactly what you said you was gonna do. So there's no, I mean, reviews are as good as the person sending them, personally. You know, I mean, you'll get a great review from me. And that's when it should be on your thing. Unfortunately, as a business owner, we can't control those reviews because they go through Google. So we can't dictate what's good or bad unless we hire a third-party company, which I'm assuming has happened in other situations, to erase it. But, you know, if you're an honest business owner, you're not going to take them away. It's going to make you a better company. The downfalls will make you better.
Yeah, well, and there are, obviously, as you've seen, there are a few, like a handful of negatives on our Google, and most of them I've responded to. And that's the thing, if you actually look and pay attention, you'll see that we've responded and we've asked, hey, send us this, and then they're crickets. They don't respond. So you're gonna accuse us of something, and then when we say, hey, we're sorry, can you send us an invoice? Can we confirm, you know, and then you're not gonna confirm with us who you are? Like, something suspicious with that, obviously, and that's kind of what has happened on a couple of them.
Well, unfortunately, in today's society, someone sees something to play off of, and probably a third of the ones you get are not legit because they're just seeing an opportunity to try to make a buck, to be honest. They're just trying to scam you back, you know, they're just trying to scam you, so you have to be very careful. But as long as, you know, you follow up and do what you're supposed to do, we won't have any problem. I have no issues. I've had a great experience. It looks good.
Would you recommend
I
it?
called them.
Would you recommend Eikon?
Absolutely, I will. Sure, I sure will.
Well, you heard it from Bill. And Bill, it was an honor and it was my pleasure, obviously, to do this. It is gorgeous out, so wasn't an issue with a little humid, but not Alabama humid in the middle of summer. It came out beautiful.
It was great. I appreciate it. You did a fabulous job.
Thank you. Thank you. Do you like it? Yeah. What's your name? Braxton approves. I'm curious if your wife can do it. That's what I'd like to see.
I'll ask your mom to come here for a minute.
So we're gonna see if his wife can actually operate the doors, because a lot of you guys have asked, like, can my wife do it, my girlfriend, you know, those types of things. Obviously, we've posted videos of females doing it, but she's never done this yet. She hasn't touched this car yet. So we're gonna see her for the first time, and you're gonna see the struggles, but she's gonna be able to do it. I'm pretty confident that she's gonna be able to do it.
She's weak as water too, so if she can do it, anybody can do it.
We're gonna see if you can do it.
What am I gonna do?
Sit down.
Don't I just push a button? It looks like a robot.
Yeah. No, not yet. So, you're gonna put your hand right here and pull down.
Okay.
Reach right there and pull it down. There you go.
You did it. You'll get better at it the more you do it.
Now open it. Open it. There you go. See, it's easier to raise up. Grab the bottom of the door. There you go. That's it.
I'll just let him open my door.
Right? Well, that's why I've always called it the gentleman's box. You know, because it gives the guys
up?
the excuse to have to open and close the door. So
Yeah.
that was awesome.
All right. Is my job here done?
Your job here is done. Thank you so much for doing that.
You're welcome. Thank you.
It's actually easier to get in and out of, though, isn't it? 'Cause you ain't so cramped up.
Well, there you guys go. You saw
all the
it.
brackets
She
and
lifted it,
shocks and all
lowered
the
it.
same color.
Very first time ever touching it.
Yeah, he's
So-
been able to do that.
I think we can call that a confirmation she can do it.
You know, we go to the show, and he'll be with me, so we can say, look, 14-year-old kid can do them. Just like I
Yeah.
said, a lot of the people are going to be older, and they're, so. Well.
Yeah. That Corvette Club's just a whole bunch of grandpas.
All right, guys. Well, I'm going to call it a day here in Jasper, Alabama. Oh, there's a crazy one.
Come here, Jax.
Hi. What's his name?
Jax.
That's Jax. Jax approves too, I think. Maybe. Or he's just going to jump in. Anyways, guys, till next time, please like, subscribe, and share. And we'll see you in the next city, next state. Maybe near you.